Hello guys. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your Wi-Fi. Hiding your wireless network is one of the best things you can do to increase the security of your home network system, so that your neighbor cannot connect to your Wi-Fi if they don't have your permission. Ha 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 ha. So let's go. Go to browser. Type your router or Wi-Fi IP address. Log in. In today's sample I'm using Smart Pro LTE. Go to wireless. Go to wireless security settings. As you can see there is network visibility status. You just change the visible to invisible. And your Wi-Fi became invisible. Wow, amazing. I hope persons can be invisible too, so that if you don't want to see the person, just set him invisible. Ha ha ha. I see is how I was a fool. Click save. Set forget password on your Wi-Fi. As you can see your Wi-Fi is hidden. But the big question is, I hide my Wi-Fi. Now want to connect again in my Wi-Fi, what will I do? Don't worry my friend, I will tell you how to connect to hidden Wi-Fi. But remember this, never tell to your neighbor, okay? Type your SSID, click next. Type your Wi-Fi password. I could say that you didn't need what you want to me. Maybe I was wrong even. As you can see you are now connect to invisible network. But the question is, how is set it to visible again? Because I have a crush on my neighbor and I want him to connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay my friend, for the sake of love I'm gonna show you how simple back it to visible. Go to browser. Type your router or Wi-Fi IP address. Log in. Go to wireless. Go to wireless security settings. As you can see there is network visibility. Click save. Now your Wi-Fi is back to visible. Hope you like my video. And hope your neighbor don't mad at me. Peace yo. And don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless. Keep safe always. Peace out.